Matrices and their properties. A matrix is a two-dimensional array of numbers. Generally, matrices are represented by an upper bold letter such as X. Since a matrix is two-dimensional, each element is represented by a small letter with two indices, such as A, I, J, where I represent the row and the J represent the columns. A representation of M into N matrix is shown here, where A, this element and its position is first row and first column, second row and first column, here first row and second column, and first row and nth column, here m row and nth column. So M is a matrix of dimensional 3 by 3. In this matrix, 3 rows and 3 columns are present. So 3 by 3 is the dimension of this matrix. So the diagonal matrix and identity matrix. A square matrix whose non-diagonal elements are 0 is called a diagonal matrix. Here you can see the non-diagonal elements of this matrix are 0. And the identity matrix, it is also a square matrix whose non-diagonal elements are 0 and the diagonal elements are 1. In this, the all non-diagonal elements are 0 and the diagonal elements are 1. So this matrix is known as the identity matrix. For two matrices to be compatible for multiplication, the number of columns of the first matrix has to be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. Here we are multiplying two matrices X and Y. Here we have two matrices X and Y. The number of rows of X is 2 and the number of rows of Y is 3. And the number of columns of Y is 2 and the number of columns of X is 3. This ensures that the multiplication rule, the number of columns of the first matrix has to be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. So multiplying X and Y is equal since the number of columns in X is equal to the number of rows in Y. So every row will multiply by the every column. Here 2 is multiplied by 1, 4 is multiplying by 2 and 6 is multiplying by 3. Similarly 2 is multiplying by 6, 4 is multiplying by 7 and 6 is multiplied by 8. 8 is multiplying by 1, 0 is multiplying by 2 and 2 is multiplying by 3. 8 is multiplying by 6, 0 and is multiplying by 7 and 2 is multiplied by 8. By simplifying this we get Z is equals to 28, 14, 88 and 64. Transpose of a matrix is a swapping of the rows and the columns. When we take off the transpose, the elements of the rows goes to the position to the elements of the columns. In this matrix X, 1 to 3 is the first row and in the transpose matrix 1 to 3 is the first column. In X matrix 4, 5, 6 is the second row. Here the transpose matrix 4, 5, 6 is the second column. And 7, 8, 9 is the third row in X matrix, but in the transpose matrix 7, 8, 9 is the third column. Inverse of a matrix. The inverse of a square matrix A, denoted by A inverse, is a special matrix as the property that their multiplication result in the identity matrix. So we have two matrices which is A and the A inverse. When we multiply these two matrices, the resultant will be the identity matrix.